What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. Now, if you've wondered and heard about this new email that's integrated into ManyChat, you've wondered how to do it, how to set up your emails, this is a video you don't want to miss out on.
Some dude, Jeffrey M. Benek, he just got a ClickFunnels tattoo. What?
All right, now we jumped inside my computer and you can see we're inside a flow right now. Now, one of the things I want to do is this is to send an actual share funnel template to someone once they've opted in. So this particular instance, we're talking about a free doctor lead funnel. And what you do is we've asked here, can you confirm your best email? We'll send it to you. They then click here. You'll see that this is an email. We have this to save to system field, which will allow it to actually save as an email to the bot. Once that happens, they come down. We're going to continue the step because now what I want to do is I actually want to send them an email. So the way you can do that is I'm in the flow builder. You'll just click this arrow and you have send message. You have all the different great options. Here's send SMS, but today we're gonna be looking at send email. So once you click on that, now the next step will actually send out the email according to the one that they just put or clicked on here in the above action. Now you look, there's several parts to the email. We have the subject, we have the pre-header. Now the subject line is the main line they see, and the pre-header will cover up any extra text. Now what will happen if the subject line isn't long enough, it will actually pull the beginning text out of the email and insert that. And sometimes that can look a little weird. So what I recommend people do is always put something in the pre-header. I usually something that like builds on whatever the header was, so it's even more curiosity based or builds on their interest so that they're actually more engaged in wanting to open the email. Now, in the way that the ManyChat has their emails, they actually have it set up so that you can make a headline. So here I could be like, here is your free doctor lead funnel. Boom. And then I could do a little happy face emoji or something. You know. Boom, happy face emoji. So there's that. Now, if I want to put an image, which I am going to do, I have an image pre-done here. Let me pull it up. It is in my image. Here we go. There we go. Free lead funnels. Sorry about that. And there we go. So now, but you know what? I don't like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to just delete the headline. I don't think we need a headline here. We're going to go with free lead funnels. Now here at the bottom, you have a text. Now the great thing about this is if you wanted to continue the loop and send them back to Messenger, you can. You can actually leave this where you click here, it'll open up another message in Messenger. So if you click this little button here, you'd see you'd be able to then perform all your actions just like normal. Or if you wanted to send another email or another SMS, you could do it through here. And you could continue this really cool thing that ManyChat's doing right now where they're actually creating this integration. ManyChat really wants to be the platform for communication, for emails, for SMS, for Messenger bot. That's why they're trying to do this. They're worried that they don't want to lose their spot, which I think this is brilliant of them, and I highly praise them for what they've done, because now they're creating this seamless loop of SMS, email, Messenger bot, and it's really great. But you know what? For this right now, we're not going to use this feature, so we're just going to delete it out. So I'm going to exit out. And here's our base email. Now, I've already got some pre-text in one of these other emails, so to save time, we're just going to copy this one. We're going to change out a little bit of text here. Oh, copy. Boom. Z, there we go, and copy, and then we'll go back and come out here. I just like everything to be uniform, so this is, instead of free gym, this is a doctor funnel here, doctor lead funnel, and then the pre-header, I've got that already set up too, and again, we'll change, this one doesn't need to be changed, so it'll all copy, boom, and down to another one. Sorry, this takes a couple seconds. Boom. And I'll copy, paste it all in. And then here, now we'll roll up again and grab the actual body of the text. or the email, sorry, copy, and go down, and then put it back in here. And now the way this reads, it's like, hey, first now, and thanks for getting my free, and we'll change out Jim to Doctor. And this is a cool thing, I have 4 different funnels that you can potentially get. There's a real estate, a gym, a doctor, and a chiropractor funnel. So you can get each one of those. And then what we'll do is we'll come over here and I'll grab the actual share funnel link and change that out because those don't need to be the same. So then I have the share funnel link. It says, thanks so much for getting my free doctor lead funnel. Here, click here to instantly download your doctor. That's the other spot we need to change it out. Doctor lead funnel, and this is the actual share funnel. Thanks so much. I know you're going to enjoy this template. If you have any questions, feel free to join my Facebook group and here's my Facebook group, which as you know is Income and Impact Fam. I can't wait to see your success, the funnel doc. And then it has a little stuff for ManyChat. Now, if I want to continue on to another step, I could do another email. Continue to another step, but for this email or for this video, I just wanted to show you how to basically set it up and show you how easy it is. Now you do have actual settings that I wanted to show you under the settings tab. If you go to email at the top right here, it's going to show you these are how many free. Now you're getting 500 free emails per month. So that's amazing. And then the same thing for an SMS. I think you're only getting 50. Yeah, you're getting 50 for those. But for the emails, you're getting it all set up here. And then that's where you can find out how many emails you sent, how close you are to reaching, and then for your next level. I think it's pretty reasonable for this. I'm not sure what the actual price is, but I've heard it's like 3 cents an email or something pretty reasonable. So once I find out, I'll be sure to include that info. With that, fam, Income and Impact, Funnel Doc out. 500 free emails per month. So that's amazing. And then the same thing for an SMS. I think you're only getting 50. Yeah, you're getting 50 for those. But for the emails, you're getting it all set up here. And then that's where you can find out how many emails you sent, how close you are to reaching, and then